हाय एवरीवन, मेकअप एंड ब्यूटी चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। आज का जो वीडियो है वो है एक अमेजिंग ब्रांड के ऊपर, बेला वीटा। कभी सुना है इस ब्रांड का नाम? आई गेस नो। द फैक्ट इज गाइज, इन्हें मार्केटिंग आती ही नहीं। इनके जो प्रोडक्ट्स है वो बहुत ही अमेजिंग है एंड हाईली अफोर्डेबल। क्यों? क्योंकि ये ब्रांड अपना सारा पैसा अपने प्रोडक्ट पे ही लगाते हैं। मी एज अ ब्लॉगर जस्ट वांट टू रीच आउट टू देम एंड टू हेल्प देम, क्योंकि मैंने इस ब्रांड के सारे जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं वो मैं पास्ट कुछ ही महीनों से यूज कर रही हूँ। सो आई कैन से दैट डेफिनेटली दिस ब्रांड इज वन ऑफ those brand that need recognition and support from our community। ऐसे ही होम ग्रोन ब्रांड को हमें सपोर्ट करना चाहिए, because there is no celebrity endorsement, nothing, and that's why no one knows about them. So in today's video I decided to talk detailed about each and every product that I have been using from this brand. So first let me show you all the product. So the first product is Bella Vita Organic Sea Glow Face Wash. This one is priced ₹299 and you are going to get 225 ml of product. Now this Bella Vita Sea Organic Face Wash comes up in this kind of carton box, आप देख सकते हो, whereas the bottle look like this and this is how the face wash look like। आप देख सकते हो इसका जो कलर है वो एक yellowish kind of है। इसका जो texture है it is neither too runny nor too thick। The key ingredients of this face wash are vitamin C, sandalwood, honey, coffee, neem, lemon। This face wash claim to control oil। It is an anti-acne face wash। It detans and brightens and smoothens skin। This face wash is for all skin type। Let me tell you, all the products of Bella Vita are not Ayurvedic, they are Ayurveda। They are not organic, they are natural idea that need to be followed। As you can see, I have squeezed a little bit of face wash to my hand and apply it on my wet face, and I am gently massaging it in a circular motion, creating a lather। Then I will just rinse it off with water and pat dry। The Glow Face Wash is a delicate blend of vitamin C, coffee, sandalwood that cleans the skin and remove dirt। This Ayurvedic composition of natural botanicals and oils can soften and tame the most unruly skin। As you can see, it is brighten up my face and the face wash is really hydrating। It has antibacterial formula that as it has tulsi and neem extracts in it। It controls the oil production of my skin and thus it also help in acne। I love to use this face wash every day। Now moving on to the other product, the next product that I'm going to talk about is Bella Vita Exfoliate Face and Body Scrub Grit। This one is priced ₹275 and it has 75 gram of product, and this is how the container of the scrub look like। It comes up with this kind of flip cap opening, as you can see। This face and body scrub help to remove dead skin। It also help to detan the skin and polish it to make it glow। Now this face and body scrub comes up in a powdery kind of form। I hope you can see from this bottle। All you have to do, you just have to mix the grit with any skincare product of your choice and convert it into a scrub। Like I always love to mix this scrub with my face wash and I just scrub my face with it, or sometimes I just love to mix this scrub with a body lotion and I love to scrub my knees, elbow, and I massage it for 2 minutes and then I just wash it off। The good thing regarding this scrub is it can be used on your face and also on your body। The key ingredients of this scrub are walnut grit, coffee powder, rock salt, mixed herb, cold press virgin coconut oil। In short, it is a goodness in a small bottle। And you can see I am applying this scrub on my face and I'm mixing this scrub with my Sea Glow face wash and I'm just applying it on my face to show you how you can use this scrub। Next I am just mixing this scrub again with my favorite body lotion and I'm just going to apply it on my elbow like so। Now it's time to wash my face and also my elbow, and yes, can you just see the changes? Moving on to another product, something very innovative, and I am using this product for the first time, so I just think that you should also try out। Let me show you what it is। So I am talking about Bella Vita Organic Glowy Mask plus Scrub plus cleans. Have you ever seen any product that can do all the three things at one go? Well, I have never seen anything like that, at least as a single product. I have seen this kind of product that included along with other product in facial kit. Something like that as a single, I have never seen it, and that's why I feel like it is definitely worthy to mention, because anyone who is just hurry or too lazy to apply cleanser, scrub and mask, they can just go for this one product only. The price of this product is $4.99 and you are going to get 100 gram of product. So this is how the outer carton box of the product look like. Now this comes up with a small brush. Now let me show you the product. This is how the product look like. Can you just see? It comes up in such a cute kind of container. Bella Vita Glowy is a 3-in-1 miracle with exfoliate face pack and wash that gently cleanses, brightens and softens the skin. It is a multi-purpose pink kaolin clay that deeply cleanses the impurities. Walnut grit gently scrub away all the dull skin from my face, while toning blend of rose with natural butters and cold press oil soften, brighten and smoothen my skin. I use it all over on my face and neck, and this glowy mask is just perfect for any skin type. It gives a perfectly bright, even toned, radiant skin. All I just need to apply this glowy all over on my face and neck, and I have to leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, I will just rinse it with water while scrubbing and massaging. Now the key ingredients of this glowy are aloe vera juice, cold pressed sunflower oil, cold pressed almond oil, cold pressed coconut oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, mango butter, pink clay, bentonite, walnut shell grit, rose essential oil. All the products of Bella Vita are cruelty free. After cleaning my face, you can see how beautiful my face is looking. I just love this product, and let me tell you, whenever I am in hurry, I just use this product and I am done. I don't go for the face wash or the scrub separately. I just use this one and I just get ready within 5 minutes. Moving on to the next product from this brand, and that is Bella Vita Nico Lips. It is actually a scrub balm. The price of this scrub balm is rupees 450 and you are going to get 100 gram of product, and this is the outer carton box of the scrub balm, and this is how the scrub balm look like. All I just need to do, I just need to apply the scrub on my lips and massage it in a circular motion for at least 1 to 2 minutes, and then I will just wash or wipe it off. The key ingredients of this scrub balm are beetroot, shea butter, cocoa butter, cocoa butter, mango butter, organic wax, almond oil, coconut oil, sunflower oil, vitamin E, wheat germ oil, peppermint, walnut grit, sodium benzoate and potassium sorbate. Lot of ingredients in one small container. Bella Vita Nico Lips is a lip lightening scrub balm, and it is very moisturizing on my lips. It just scrub away all the dead skin from my lips, making it soft and supple. All you just need to close the lid tightly every time after you use this lip scrub. That is all the precaution that you need to take, and you can see my lip is looking so good. Moving on to the next product. The next product is all from Bella Vita Glotion. It is a face and body lotion. Again, one product and you can use it anywhere on your face and body. Basically nowadays we don't have so much time in our daily life, and that's why I feel like this kind of product is very handy, as you can use it on your face and body at one go and you don't need separate product for your face and body. The price of this glotion is rupees 199 and you are going to get 100 gram of product. So let me show you the product. So it comes up in this cute kind of pump bottle, as you can see. Key ingredients of this product: aqua, glycerin, aloe vera extract, shea butter, cocoa butter. All I just need to apply a generous amount of this glotion on my face and neck and also body after cleansing. I use this glotion on daily basis and I just love it, as it is a natural face and body butter lotion which is loaded with goodness of cocoa and shea butter. Its intense repair formula just enhance the glow of my skin. It reduces the dryness and provide me 24-hour nourishment with deep moisturization. This glotion is suitable for all skin type. Glotion just keeps my skin soft, supple and hydrated, as you can see. This glotion have IFRA certified allergen free fragrance. So yes, this is all about all the products from Bella Vita Organic that I just wanted to share with you all, because as I told you at the starting of my video that all the products are amazing and they need this kind of recognition from bloggers. I just have few things to tell before you try out all the product. It is my personal suggestion that do a patch test on your elbow before you start using any kind of skincare products. If irritation occurs, then just stop using that product, as these are skincare product and so they vary from person to person. So anything that suits me doesn't mean that that will suit you also. So it is very important that you do the patch test before you start using this product. Otherwise, Bella Vita products are all good. They are just free from all harmful chemicals and all the products are for all skin type. You just don't need to worry, and if all these products pass out the patch test, then you are good to go and you are good to try out all their products. So yes, that's complete my today's video over Bella Vita Organic products, which are new age Ayurveda. I am signing off with a promise to be back in my other video pretty soon. Until then, stay beautiful and stay stylish. Bye.